The year is 2025. You just got an email from your boss and your stomach drops. It says, we need to talk about your role in the age of AI. Think that's a wild exaggeration. Think again. A survey shows employees are already firing recent grads just months into their jobs. Not because they can't do the work, but because they are missing something critical. Everyone's talking about how AI is going to steal our jobs, but that's the wrong way to look at it. The real question is not that, how do I beat AI? It's how do I become so valuable that my boss can't imagine running this business without me. This isn't about being unfireable, that's a myth. It's about becoming indispensable. Today we are breaking down the 5 AI proof skills that will make you an essential partner to technology. Stick around because I'm going to tell you the number one thing you can do to prove you have these skills, even if you're fresh out of college. AI is an incredible answer machine. You ask it to write a report and it delivers. You ask it to create an image and it's done. But here is the fatal flaw. It's terrible at asking the right questions. This is where you come in. The first indispensable skill is critical and creative strategy. AI can remix and replicate existing things to create novel things, but it can't create truly original ones. Truly creative comes from human experience and emotion. You are the one who defines the problem, questions the assumptions, and figures out what AI should even be working on in the first place. Think about a data scientist. An AI model can flag a suspicious transaction, but human data scientists can figure it out. Why the flag occurred, evaluate if it's justified, and ethically adjust the model. They are the architect behind the scenes. Using AI as their co-pilot, this fusion of human creativity and technical tools is creating a whole new creative class. Most of us treat AI like a glorified search engine, but what if you treated it like your best employee? The second skill is human AI collaborative leadership. This means learning to delegate tasks to AI systems, give them constructive feedback, and maintain critical oversight. This skill isn't about a single tool, it's a tied system. At the bottom is basic AI literacy, understanding what AI is and how to use tools like ChatGPT for brainstorming or research. This is must have for every professional. The next level is mastering the tool specific to your role. For a marketer, this might be a HubSpot AI, and for a developer, it's a GitHub Copilot. That's strategic leadership. This is where you become a prompt engineer. Don't let the buzzword fool you. It's a sophisticated skill that combines logic, writing, and experimentation to build entire workflows. Making AI is a strategic asset for everyone in your company. This also applies to non-technical roles like AI project coordinators who bridge the gap between business and tech. AI can be a black box, giving you an answer without showing its work. This can be a huge problem, especially in high-stakes fields like medicine or law, where an AI's racial bias could literally hurt people. The third indispensable skill is ethical governance and human-centric oversight. This is about being the moral compass for technology. This has led to the rise of entirely new non-technical careers like AI ethicists and responsible AI advisors. These professionals, often with backgrounds in law or public policy, ensure AI systems are fair, transparent, and aligned with human values. This is not just about compliance. Companies with these principles are 2.5 times more likely to create enterprise level value. World changes so fast that your skills could be outdated by next year. So what's the most future proof skill you can have? It's the ability to learn new ones. The fourth skill is dynamic adaptability and lifelong learning. The World Economic Forum consistently ranks adaptability and resilience as the top skills for the future. But here is the catch. A McKinsey survey found that 80% of leaders think upskilling is essential. Only 28% of companies are actually planning to invest in it. This creates a massive opportunity for you. By being a proactive, continuous learner, you become an indispensable partner to employees who are falling behind. This is all about what Deloitte calls stagility, a blend of stability and agility. AI's biggest weakness is that it's just a mission. It lacks emotion, empathy, and the ability to build genuine trust. This brings us to our fifth and most resilient skill, social intelligence and empathy influence. This is the reason why careers in healthcare, education, law, and management are so AI proof. A robot can't comfort a patient, a plumber can't calm a panicked customer, and AI can't build the rapport needed to close the deal. In a world of automated systems, the human touch becomes a strategic asset. The ability to connect, persuade, and lead with empathy is something no algorithms can replicate. So what's the blueprint for success? It's not about being a coding genius, it's about a strategic combination of human wisdom and technical proficiency. The next time you are worried about AI, don't think about competing with it. Instead, think about the 5 things it can't do. Ask creative questions, provide human leadership, have a moral compass, adapt to new world, show genuine empathy. Master these 5 skills and you won't just survive the age of AI, you will lead need it. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 skills do you think is the most important for the future of work? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights just like this. Thank you one and all. Goodbye.